Hey guys, my name is Moses and this is Programming Learning channel. This channel is dedicated to programming and here I will do series on different types of programming methods, and today I will start with a series on PLC programming using ladder diagram. Okay, let's begin. Before we start with PLC programming, let's start this video with a question: what is PLC? PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller, and by the name we can understand that this is a device that controls a process using logic, and this logic is done using programming. PLC is a device which plays a major role in industrial automation. The reason why this device is so popular is because of its compact design, easy to use interface, easy to understand programming methods, it's less expensive, it's durable and requires less floor space. All these points put together makes PLC a formidable option for industrial automation. And among all these, the major point is that this device is programmable. And in case of PLC, it has 5 programming methods. The first method is ladder diagram. This is the most common and most used programming method, and this language is designed to be easy to read and understand. As said in the beginning, this series is dedicated to ladder diagram, and I will also do a series or an explanation video on other programming methods as well. And before we continue, if you understood the video so far, then please like the video, and if you have liked the video, then share it with your friends. If you have any doubt, then write them in the comments, and if you want to see more videos from this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, now let's continue with the list. The second programming method is structured text. The third is functional block diagram. Fourth is sequential flowchart. And the fifth one is instruction list. Before we start with programming, let's know about the programming software. The software that I have used here is WPLSoft. This software is used to program Delta PLCs. And recently I have done project using this PLC. And this software felt very easy to understand, so I choose this software for this series. Okay, now let's download the software. For that, open your web browser and type Delta Download Center. Open this link. Here in these options, in the product category list, select Industrial Automation, and in the subcategory, select PLC. And in the product series, select DVP-SS2 series. Submit the selections. Okay, in this list, search for WPLSoft. Okay, this is the link. Let's download the setup file. Select the destination and save the file. Okay, this is the setup file. Let's double click on it. After I double click on this setup file, the system will pop up a window and ask whether to install the software. There you have to press yes, accept to the terms and press next. Enter your username, next, and install. Yes, here we have WPLSoft. Let's open it and see how the interface is. Let's create a new project. In this we have project name and file name. I'll name them both as PLC. Here select the series and press OK. This is the workspace and these are the different contacts used in PLC programming. Now to show you how the simulation works, let me build a program. Okay, here X0 is the normally open input contact and Y0 is the output contact. Okay, to start the simulation, select the simulator and online mode, and then you will get some pop-ups. Just click yes. Now we have entered the simulation mode, but as you can see here, it says stop. So to enter run mode, select run and press yes. Okay, now the run mode is enabled. Now right click on the contact and press set on. Okay, the output is on. And to stop the process, again right click on the X0. Now select set off. Now the output is off. And to switch on and off the input contacts, either we can right click on the input contact or just select the input contact and press plus key to switch on the contact and press minus key to switch off the contact. You have to just remember that to either switch on or switch off, you have to first select the input contact. Okay, in this video we saw about PLC, its programming methods, and how to download and install WPLSoft. In the next video we will see about terms used in ladder diagram, conditions for building ladder diagram, and about normally open contact. Okay, this is it for today's video. Until next video, stay cool, calm and confident and stay subscribed. Thank you.